Hi, Coach. My name is Olivia, and today I will show you how you can share files with your clients in CoachVantage. There are 4 ways you can share files with your clients. You can do this through the resource library, an individual contact record page, the program management page, and lastly, you can include files in your automation rules. I will show you how you can share files using these 4 different ways. First, let's look at how you share files via your resource library. To access your resource library from your dashboard, simply click Resource Library on the left-hand side of your screen. As a coach, you can share files or entire folders from here. You can do this by simply clicking on the box corresponding with whatever you would like to share, and then select Share. You will see a list of your contacts who you've already shared this folder with. You can simply use the search bar to add others that you would like to share this file with, and then click Share Resource. You can share files with individual clients or with multiple clients by simply selecting the box corresponding with the file you'd like to share, and then selecting Share here. When you do this, a pop-up window will be displayed. Simply use the search bar to select the clients who you would like to share this file with. When you're ready, press Share Resource. You can share files individually or simultaneously with multiple clients by simply clicking on the corresponding box of the file that you would like to share, and then selecting Share. A pop-up window will then be displayed. Use the search bar here to select the contacts who you would like to share this resource with. When you're ready, click Share Resource to continue. Once you have shared a file with your clients, you will notice that their initials and/or profile avatar will be displayed in the Shared With column. As a quick tip, you can hover over the profile image to view the name of the client. Whenever you share files with clients, CoachVantage will send an automated email to notify them. Here's an example of what that email to your client would look like. Now that you've learned how to share a file from your resource library, let me teach you how to share a file from an individual contact record page. To go to an individual contact record page in CoachVantage, first select Contacts from the left-hand menu. Next, select the contact who you would like to share a file with. Now, select the Files tab. You will see in this tab, you have your private files, Shared with Client, and Shared Recording with Client. Select Shared with Client here. These are the files that have been shared with your client, Barbara. From here, you can simply select Add Local File to add another file to share with her. Alternatively, you can select this drop-down arrow and add a file from your resource library to be shared with Barbara. When you select this option, a pop-up window of your resource library will be displayed, and you will be able to easily select files and add them to be shared with Barbara. Please note that if you delete a file from your resource library that has been shared with a client, it will subsequently be deleted from that client's files as well. Now, let me show you how to share files from the program management page. You'll want to do this from an individual contact record. So, click Contacts on the left-hand side of your screen, and simply select a contact who you know is enrolled in a program. Under the Programs tab here, simply click on the program card to access the program management page. You will see here the sub-menu including Notes, Forms, Goals, etc. Select Resources from this list. Here you will see the Add New File option. Once again, alternatively, you can also upload a file from the resource library. Again, doing this will share the file with this client, in this case, Atlas Winchester. Please note that resources can only be shared if the client has an active client portal in CoachVantage. Let's take a closer look at this page. To add a new file, simply select Add New File, and then find the file of your choosing. Once you've selected a file, press Add, and you will see that the file has been added to your list of resources shared with Atlas. And it has also been successfully shared with your client. To upload a resource from your resource library, simply click here. You will see a pop-up window that displays all of the files in your resource library. Select the file you would like to share with Atlas and then press Add. Great! The file has been added and an email notification has been sent to Atlas. Another way that you can add files in the program management page is here under Automations. This is how you can add files that you would like your clients to have access to immediately after they have enrolled in your program and have created their client portal. This method of sharing files with your clients is especially useful in the client onboarding process when they sign up for your coaching program. This feature saves you administrative time as you will not need to manually send emails to your clients. To add files this way, simply select Add New Automation and then click Resources. You will see here you have the option to add a new file or upload a file from your resource library. In addition, you will see the option to set an automation rule. You have the option to select either Send once on a specific date or Send before or after coaching sessions. If you select Send once on, you will be prompted to select a date when you would like the materials to be sent. However, if you select Send before or after coaching sessions, you have the option to send several hours or days in advance or immediately after someone has signed up for your coaching program, before, after, or before and after. And then you can select the first session, every session, the last session, or the first and last session. In this example, I have uploaded a new file, which is a Creating Work-Life Balance Worksheet PDF, and I'm going to send it one day before the first session. Remember to press Save when finished. Great, your automation has been saved successfully. Thank you so much for watching this video on the 4 ways you can easily share files with your clients. At CoachVantage, we're wishing you a wonderful week ahead. Happy coaching!